Hello and welcome to this brief video demonstration, how to receive automatic notices from dwellingLIVE. Here's an overview of the process you'll learn in this video. We'll start by logging into dwellingLIVE, selecting My Account, selecting User, editing the user. Then at that point we have to confirm our phone number. Now it's necessary to receive text messages. We'll select email or text message notification settings, and we'll configure those settings. So let's see that in action with a quick demo. I'm in the Apple Safari web browser, going to my dwellingLIVE bookmark. I'm going to click on that bookmark, which takes me to the Laguna de la Paz section of the dwellingLIVE website. I'm going to enter my login credentials, and I will click the Login button. This is the home page for our Laguna de la Paz section in dwellingLIVE, and you've seen this before. Up here we have Home, My Account, Tech Support, etc. We want My Account. Click on that. And here we have all the authorized users. In this case, I only have one, Roadrunner. I'm going to come here to Edit. Now over here in this section is where we set our email and or text message notification settings. Notice in this section that there are two types of notifications that you can receive. Guest passes issued and denied. The second type is guest registration confirmation. Guest registration confirmation, in this case, will send a text message every time a new guest or visitor is successfully added to dwellingLIVE for your account. One of the reasons for this notification is because residents can have multiple authorized dwellingLIVE users that can add and authorize registrations. And this is a great way to keep everyone within a residence informed about what passes have been issued to whom. The much more frequently used notification is likely to be guest passes issued and denied. Whenever one of your visitors comes to the gate and receives a guest pass or is denied a guest pass, this type of notification makes sure that you are notified either via email or text message, depending upon what you've selected. For text messages, that's this part here, it is important that you have at least one phone number assigned. So make sure you have a phone number down here. This is clearly a contrived number. So we'll come here and we'll say we just want, for example, text message or an email message, or we can have both. In this case, I'm just going to select text. We'll select the phone because you can have multiple phone numbers entered here. We're going to select which phone number we want. This part is unusually important. When I first set this up, it didn't work, and that's because I didn't select a provider. In my case, I used Verizon. So I found once I selected Verizon, I started receiving text messages whenever a visitor came through the gate, for example. Be sure you click the Save button. Then be sure to click the Save Account Information button. You'll get a confirmation your account has been updated. If you don't see that confirmation, it has not worked. And then you can come back to home. Thank you for viewing this brief video demonstration, how to receive automatic notices from dwellingLIVE. Please recall, at Laguna de la Paz, our safety begins with you using dwellingLIVE.